Learn English with Parsa.
Hello, English champions. Today we learn how to make plans for a get-together. Let's enjoy the lesson.
Hey, so I'm having a party at my place next weekend. Do you want to come?
Sure, that sounds like fun. Who else is coming?
Let's see. I think it's going to be Talia, Anna, Michelle, and possibly Jamie. It's not really going to be a party, more like a small get-together. I'm cooking dinner, and we can just hang out.
What time should I be there?
Oh, anytime between 6 and 7 would be fine.
Can I bring anything?
Oh, don't worry about it. I have everything covered.
Can I at least bring a bottle of wine?
Well, I'm not going to say no to wine. I'm sure that would be appreciated.
I'll do that, then. Thanks for inviting me.
For more videos, like, share, and subscribe.